Have you ever wanted to play New Super Mario Bros. Wii, Skylanders Swap Force, Angry Birds Trilogy, and Minecraft all at once?
Yes, I have.
Well, now you have the chance to play it! New Skylanders Dimensions Birds Java Edition. Let me tell you about it. How you spawn your character in the game is, first, you get a Mario character. You get an Angry Bird. You get a Skylander. And there, it is in the virtual world of New Skylanders Dimensions Birds Java Edition.
Isn't that just virtual insanity?
We don't want to get sued, do we? Anyways, let me tell you how to get the game. So, to get the game, you must find New Super Mario Bros. Wii, any Skylanders game, and Angry Birds Trilogy, and Minecraft Xbox 360 Edition.
I have a question. Does it have to be Xbox 360 edition?
Yes!
What about...
No other console! Just Xbox 360! No Xbox One, no Xbox Series X, nothing!
No Xbox for PlayStation on Xbox One?
No.
Oh, okay.
Anyways, you gotta buy it. You don't need Lego Dimensions, that game sucks. And you get them all, you stack them all together, and you merge them like... Alright, here, we have the game. Now, we gotta put it on an Xbox 360. Alright. Alright, there we go. Now, we're in the world of New Skylanders Dimensions Birds Java Edition.
Isn't that just... Jameer... Why?
No. Anyways, let's see some customer reviews.
Now on our first customer review. Our first customer review is Timmy. What's your opinion on the game?
It's a good game.
What's your favorite part about it?
It tastes pretty good.
I don't recommend you eat it. Are you okay?
I recommend it. Let's see another customer review. You need help?
Help me. Yes, I lost my guy and I don't know how to get another one.
You have to buy it at the store.
But it's under warranty and the warranty card was on the bottom of them.
Oh no. That sounds like a skill issue, El Bozo! Haha, blocked, you're white!
This is our newest update. It's where you can play as any character for 1 day release. Everyone was trying a stupid basket. If it's a basket, oh dude, if it's a basket on someone's head, I swear to God. I swear to God. Oh, not again.
Dude, I'm putting him on the portal, and it's not playing as him, and I need help.
Let me do it for you. In our new update, you can play as anything, including this basket. See, look, it's working. Thank you for watching our commercial on New Skylanders Dimensions Angry Birds Java Edition. Any word from our co-founder? No, our founder, J. Wilson.
Bye!